smoke when we all celebrate success. So now we. Yeah, that's right, you know we. I thought I told you that we.
Hey guys, so I thought I'd do a quick update on where we are. So I've marked, you can just see it here with the red spot. That's where I need to drill, so I can pop this barrel out and then slide this barrel in. So the reason why I need to drill here is so I can press onto this tab and that'll release it. This thing is keyed, so it only goes in one way, which is a big help. But let me show you now something I discovered the other night, which greatly slowed down progress here with this particular portion. This standoff tab here is in the wrong place. Now it is fine for the original Mark I kit, but this is a city golf part that I'm trying to fit now so I can use the newer stalks and go forward with the newer harness. So you can tell me what the problem is. The mounting tab is in entirely the wrong place and at the wrong angle. I can't even take a hammer and knock this down because I'm worried I'll break the tacks here, but I'm also, even if I do that, it's physically going to hit the wrong side of the bracket. So what we need to do, that's probably a better angle to show you how it won't line up. So what I need to do is cut this off and tack it on at the correct angle just here, so I can then slide the ignition barrel into place and tighten everything up, put all the steering wheels back on, and then we're good to go. So that's been quite a big disappointment. However, it's not an impossible fix. I was going to do the shortcut and expensive route and just go buy a new steering column, but that's massively overkill for what we're doing. It might be a good thing in the future to do that, just so that we don't have this issue in the future if we ever change barrels again. But if this is moved, we're actually good to go. So I'm going to need to find someone who's got a welding tool to come and give me a hand there. At some point I probably should invest in one myself. I just don't do enough of it to justify the expense at this point. I did see that we've got some new subscribers. I think it's about 5 or so, so thanks very much guys. I would love to get my channel in a position to be monetized, but I think I need to do a bit more work on this car to earn that. So yeah, so we are slowly inching closer, but slowly, because this is now a bit of a challenge. So I'm going to phone a mate of mine who's helped me in the past, and maybe while he's here, when he sorts that mounting tab out, he can have another look at the handbrake and we can get that working. Because at least if the handbrake is working, I can roll it into my driveway. So my driveway is quite a slope. Roll it into the driveway, put the handbrake up and give it a wash, because it's really dusty. I'd love to first of all show you guys what it looks like in the sun, because this red is an amazing red in the sun. And then yeah guys, I'm really embarrassed, but my garage is still a massive mess, but we will tackle that. I wanted to focus on this guy. I wanted to get it started before I go away on holiday in December, but it's just the car is just, she fights me, like I say, she fights me all the time, but we will get there. I'm going to throw quite a lot of effort into this. I want to finish it next year, probably around June. I'd like to start attending events in it and actually driving this thing and enjoying it. One of the things, perhaps you guys can tell me, I'm tempted to put tires on these wheels, on these rims. These are MIM 1900s. I'm tempted to put those onto the car. I need to get new VW emblems for the middle, but I am tempted to put those on the car. The other option, these are 15s, these are 16s. I'm tempted to get these guys refurbed up nicely and slap those on the car. And then one of these rims I'll get cleaned up nicely, put a VW badge in there. I might paint them orange, and hear me out, these will become the spare wheel that'll go into the wheel tub at the back. However, I think these are 14s, I'll have to double check, but yeah, these were always going to be spare last minute rims. So I might just get them redone in silver, we'll see. But I was thinking for the spare wheel, I'd like to have it orange or maybe red like the car, just so you know it's a spare wheel only. But yeah, you guys can maybe give a think about. I've got a third set of rims in the box here, but it's buried by the sun visor and stuff. But these are quite nice in 16s. These are quite nice in 15s. I wonder if I can get a quick look at what's in this box here without creating too much drama. Let's see if I can get the angle we need. Oh yeah, these guys are 15s as well. These could actually be quite nice as well. I haven't decided yet. But I'm going to leave it there, guys. Let's get this thing uploaded. Hey, Ben. Yes, Ben. Yes. See, I got all the dogs chilling with me in the garage while I fiddle. Come, Ben. Alright, guys. Well, that's it for now. Oh, yeah. All of these guys, 2 quad bikes, 2 motorbikes, those need services in the new year. But I'm going to leave it here. Let's get this video up. And yeah, I hope to catch you in the next one. Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more and be kept up to date, please follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and subscribe to my channel. With your help, we can get this project complete and move on to the next one.